Hello, gamers! And check this shit out. Hang on, you can't really see it. Hang on. Check that out. See all that water over there? Someone literally tried taking a smart car through there. A smart car!
Not smart.
Like, what idiot thinks that a smart car can go through a puddle that size? A fucking clown car! I mean, yes, there was someone smart enough to show the dude what the fuck he was doing with a truck. But, just, why would you do it in a smart car? Why would you do it in a smart car? Just why? Anyway, Dad says to see if you could make it. Mom's just sitting there, drinking her Shamrock Shake.
He has a smart car, so he has to prove that you can own a smart car without being intelligent.
I guess that makes sense. And Estella just is looking at us.
To prove that he's dumb.
Makes sense. So yeah, that's the smart car idiot. Then we also saw a couple meat wagons, ambulances, whatever you want to call them, just drive on by. We're out here waiting for my cousin Robbie to get out of his job so we can take him home and just chill. But Estelle was nice enough to buy us food. We got a burger. We got fries. We got a Shamrock Shakes. It was good.
You got a foot up your ass.
I didn't get a foot up my ass. Shut up, Dad. I did splash in puddles though. That was fun. Splish splash, splishity splash.
And I said, hey, stop it.
Yeah, you tried spoiling my fun.
What?
Yeah, I almost got some hail on my head. I took a handful of hail, chucked it down into my mouth, let it sit there for about a few seconds, and then it hit me. And I'm like, "Holy shit, that is cold!" It was funny.
No, it was hilarious.
Yeah, apparently it was hilarious.
Hilarious.
Anyway, that's all I have to say for now, so... Oh, Dad wants to take a turn?
No.
Oh.
He wants to shake.
Oh, he wants to shake. Oopsie. Oopsie poopsie. Shut up, I'm smart. Anyway, that's all I have to say for now, so... Be proud gamers out there. Bye-bye.